Slot car bodies are often held on by small self-tapping screws. Incorrect insertion of the screw into the hole, causing cross-threading, can eventually lead to wear of the thread and the need to either replace the post or use larger screws. There is a technique to ensure that when you insert the screw, you don't cause any excessive damage to the thread inside the plastic post. The technique is to put the screw in the hole loosely, and then with the screwdriver turn the screw backwards very slowly. And when you feel the screw click and pop into the hole by about 1 millimeter, that means the thread on the screw and the thread in the post hole have aligned, and then you can just gently tighten the screw. That way you should not wear out the plastic threads in the post. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.